Hi friends, so this is question time for us. How to form questions in English. Simple, very simple. The simplest way is, statements. He goes to school. That is a statement. Now you can make a question from that. In statement what happened? He goes to school. He subject goes verb. Now in this case you can see now. See here. They had finished shooting. They subject had finished verb. That is the order of words in a sentence. First you have the subject, then you have the verb. Now in this case the verb has two members, had and finished. You have to note that this is a very important point. So in a statement what you get is subject first, then verb, and afterwards rest of the sentence. That means we say S plus V is statement. That means subject plus V, verb, in that order. First subject, second verb. Verb can have more than one or sometimes two members or three members or four members. Understand? So if it's not a single word verb, you have got two words in that verb. One is had, the other is finished. This point is to be noted. Okay. And then what happened is, what did we do here? The second sentence, this is the statement. And we have made it, had they finished shooting? Question mark. It has become a question. So what have we done? Subject plus verb is statement. Verb plus subject is question. See here it is verb. Here is the verb. They, subject, finished, etc. The point to note is, if the verb has two or more members, take the first member and put it just before the subject of the statement. Then what will you get? You will get a question. Simple. Also. So you move the verb to the front of the sentence. That means give the verb becomes one, subject becomes two. But in statements, subject one, verb two. That's all. And there is a word for this, that the name and that word is inversion. Inversion. E-N-V-E-R-S-I-O-N. So what have we done is inversion of subject and a verb. Inversion. First, subject first, verb second is statement. Verb first, subject second is question. Now this, you can see the verb has got two members. 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 4 members. Maximum 4. What did you do is take the first member. As you can see here. Had finished. We took only the first member. See here, had. There are two members here. 1. This is the second member. 2. So the first member we have taken. The second member remains there. Second member remains where it is. And then you have got the question. So they had finished shooting. Had they finished the shooting? Now they say, they are going to Madras. There are two members here, so what will you do? What will be the question form? Are they going to Madras? So third sentence, Nandu was working all night. Again, you have two members for the verb. So it's a was Nandu working all night. Fourth sentence, they are planning something different this time. They are planning something different this time. Two members here. Here we have got two members. Here we have got two members. Here also we have got two members. So take the first one. You bring it here, then it becomes a question. Are they planning something different this time? Are they planning something different this time? Next one you can say, I have never traveled. See, I have never traveled. This is the first member, this is the second member. Have traveled. So, then what will be the question? Bring it here. Here, then have. I will become you because the question is the second person. Have you never become ever? Have you ever traveled through a jungle? Then next is sixth one. He was scolding. See, there are two members here. Was and scolding. So question will be, was he scolding the public when I reached there? And the next one, 7, it is snowing. Very simple. Is it snowing? When you ask such questions, what are the possible answers? There are only two possible answers. What are they? Either you can say yes or the answer is no. There is no third option. It is not an open question. It is a closed question. That means the answer is either yes or no. Therefore, such questions are known as, where is it? Answer is either yes or answer is no. Therefore, such questions are known as yes or no questions. Yes or no questions. Why are they called yes? So such questions are called yes or no questions. What is this yes or no? Answer can be either yes, answer can be no. No third possibility. Only two possibilities. Yes. Now ask these questions. Are they going to Madras? Yes, they are going to Madras. No, they aren't going to Madras. Only two possibilities. Only two possible. Next one. Nandu was working all night. Was Nandu working all night? Question. Answer. Yes, Nandu was working all night. Or no, Nandu was not working, was not working all night. They are planning something. Yes, are they planning something different this time? Yes, they are planning something. No, they aren't planning something. Listen. I have never. Have you ever traveled through, etc.? Answer is yes, I have traveled. Or the next possibility is no, I haven't traveled. No, I have never traveled. Or yes, I have traveled. Understand? Then sixth one is he was scolding. Yes, was he scolding is the question. Yes, he was scolding. No, he wasn't scolding. It is snowing. Is it snowing? Yes, it's snowing. No, it's not snowing. So such questions are known as yes or no questions. Remember, this is possible only if the verb has minimum two members in it. You will call this, you remember, verb phrase. In this verb phrase, there are two members. If in a verb phrase, that is, if in a verb, there are two members or more, you can easily make an yes or no question by shifting or moving the first member of the verb phrase to the beginning of the sentence. Then it becomes a question. Simple. You can write down or you can do this exercise with me. I will dictate some sentences, simple sentences, and then you can see. He is eating rice. What is the yes or no question? He is eating rice. Is he eating rice? Yes. Question is he eating rice? Answer can be he is, yes, he is eating rice. No, he isn't eating rice. The question is either yes or no. They are praying. They are praying. Are praying is the verb. So are they praying? Yes, they are praying. No, they aren't praying. He will do it. Will do is the verb. Will he do it? Yes, he will do it. No, he won't do it. Will not, short form. They shall come early. They shall come early. Then, instead of shall, you can use the better option will be shall. Will they come early? That will be, you can also say shall they come early, but then the meaning is not as, you remember when we discussed the shall and will, shall is going out of use. Understand? Slowly it is vanishing. This is used only for certain purposes. For example, legal purposes and so on, that we have seen. So here, so they say, will they come early? Yes, they will come early. No, they won't come early. She can do it. Can do is the verb. Can she do it? Yes, she can. No, she can't. They could play well. Could play is the verb. Then what will you do? Could they play well? Yes, they could. No, they couldn't play well. He was sleeping. Was sleeping is the verb. Was he sleeping? Yes, he was sleeping. No, he was sleeping. They were playing football. Were playing is the verb, and therefore, were they playing football? Yes, they were playing football. No, they weren't playing football. He has done it. Has done is the verb. Has he done it? Yes, he has done it. No, he hasn't done it. They have stolen the goods. Have stolen is the verb. Yes. So have they stolen the goods? Yes, they have stolen the goods. No, they haven't stolen the goods. She had gone there years ago. Had gone is the verb. Had she gone there years ago? Yes, she had gone there years ago. No, she hadn't gone years ago. So this is a very small exercise that we have done. I think now the two things are very clear to you. One, what do you mean by yes or no question? Yes or no question means the answer will be either yes or no. How do you make or form an yes or no question? By shifting or moving first part of the verb. There are two or more parts or members in that verb. Move the first member of the verb to the front of the sentence. That means start the sentence with the first member of the verb. That is how you form. When can you do this? If the verb has two or more members in it. What is the basic principle of question making in English? Subject plus verb is statement. Verb plus subject is the question. What do you call this? The technical term for that? That is inverting. Inversion is inversion. You invert the subject and the verb. Verb means not the whole verb, only one part of it. For example, you imagine they are going to Madras. Are going there to Madras? Can you say like that? So what you do is you take only the first part, first member. Then you make it. I think that much is clear. So today it's all about yes or you can ask questions. Are you all right? Very often you do that. Every day you do it. When you meet your friends, you ask them, where were you present yesterday? Were you present yesterday? See? They had taken him to hospital. Had they taken him to hospital? Had they taken them to hospital? This. Have they gone? Have they gone? Have they gone? Is it raining? Have you taken your food? So very often we do this. Have you taken your food? The one thing if you remember, it becomes easy. If you get an yes or no question, you can also roll it back to a statement. If you can make a statement into a question, then rolling back is also must be done. That is, are they sleeping? Now make that a statement. They are sleeping. So what do you do? 1, 2 is statement. 2, 1 is question. A question is given. 2, 1. How will you make a statement? 1, 2. That's so. For example, he is eating rice. Is he eating rice? Now make it a statement. He is eating rice. Are they playing? Make it a statement. They are playing. He will do it. Make it a statement. Or will he do it? Make it a statement. He will do it. She can do it. Make it a statement. Can she do it? Make it a statement. She can do it. So both ways it should be possible. When a statement is given, you can make it a question. When a question is given, you can make it a statement. So in English, word order is very important. The order of words, first, second, third, like that. First subject, second verb is statement. First verb, second subject is question. I think that this is the basic principle of question forming or question making in English. That is S plus V statement, V plus S question. If you have V plus S, you can you can make it S plus V. I think that is clear. You are happy? Okay? Fine.